In this video, you'll learn to clean messy data in Python, handling missing values and formats to improve your machine learning models. Machine learning models depend on data quality. Dirty, inconsistent data leads to poor performance and unreliable results. Let's fix that and boost accuracy. Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy offer powerful, easy tools for cleaning data, handling missing values, standardizing formats, and removing outliers. Let's see how. First, identify missing values using isNull, which flags gaps with trues and false for quick detection. Next, fill missing values using imputation, mean, median, or mode, preserving important data. Alternatively, use drop-na to remove rows or columns with missing values. Use cautiously, as it can reduce the dataset size. Inconsistent formats, like varying date styles, can cause issues. Standardize them in Python to ensure consistency and easier analysis. Clean text data using methods like strip, lower, and upper to fix spaces, casing, and inconsistencies. Outliers can skew results. Use box plots to visually identify values outside the normal range. Handle outliers by removing them or applying transformations like log scaling, depending on your analysis goals. After cleaning, verify data quality. Check for remaining issues using visualizations and summary statistics. Clean data unlocks better model performance, leading to accurate predictions, deeper insights, and smarter decisions. Raw data is cleaned and standardized. The output highlights anomalies for analysis. Data cleansed, models strengthened. Your ML journey begins.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.